Have you ever found the perfect item online but hesitated to buy it because you weren't sure if the website was trustworthy? Maybe it was a rare pair of sneakers from a small shop overseas or a handmade gift from an independent seller. You want it, but entering your credit card details on an unfamiliar website feels risky. That's exactly the problem PayPal solves. PayPal is a secure online payment system that acts as a middleman between buyers and sellers. Instead of sharing your financial details with every website, you link your bank account or credit card to PayPal. Then, when you make a purchase, PayPal pays the seller on your behalf and deducts the amount from your chosen payment method. Your sensitive information stays protected, reducing the risk of fraud. Signing up for PayPal is free and easy. All you need is an email address. Once your account is set up, you can link it to your bank account, debit card, or credit card. When you make a payment, PayPal gives you options. You can use your PayPal balance, withdraw money from your bank, or charge it to your card. The process is seamless, making online shopping faster and safer. Security is one of PayPal's biggest strengths. Since PayPal processes the transaction, the seller never sees your credit card or bank details. This extra layer of protection helps prevent fraud and identity theft. Plus, PayPal offers buyer protection. If you order something online and it never arrives, or if it's completely different from what was advertised, you can file a dispute. PayPal will investigate and may refund your money if the seller is at fault. But PayPal isn't just for shopping. You can send money to friends and family with just an email or phone number. Need to split a restaurant bill or send money to a relative in another country? PayPal makes it easy, though there may be a small fee, especially for international transfers or payments using a credit card. Businesses also benefit from PayPal. Many online stores accept it because it's easy to use and widely trusted. Sellers can receive payments without setting up complicated bank accounts. PayPal even provides invoicing tools, which is great for freelancers and small businesses. One reason PayPal is so popular is its global reach. It works in over 200 countries and supports multiple currencies. If you're traveling or working with international clients, PayPal helps you handle payments across borders without worrying about exchange rates or hidden fees. However, there are some downsides. The biggest complaint from users is the fees. While sending money within the same country is usually free if you use a bank account, PayPal charges fees for currency conversions, international transfers, and receiving business payments. Another issue is account freezes. If PayPal detects unusual activity, they might lock your account for security reasons, which can be frustrating if you need urgent access to your money. Despite these drawbacks, PayPal remains one of the most trusted and convenient ways to send and receive money online. Whether you're shopping, running a business, or sending money to a friend, PayPal simplifies the process while keeping your financial details safe. It's like having a digital wallet that works almost anywhere in the world. So next time you shop online, consider using PayPal. Have you used it before? Was your experience smooth, or did you run into any issues? Let me know in the comments.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.